You cannot call a taco taco with a good salsa on top. Today I teach you how to make a creamy avocado salsa that is super easy and delicious, and a red salsa made of chile de arbol. These two salsas are about to become your favorite taco topping. You can put it on tostadas, on eggs, or whatever you want. So I have over here 1 tomato, and 3 tomatillos, okay? Do you know that your body can actually digest tomato skin? So we're gonna get rid of it, and I'm gonna teach you a secret on how to do it. Just cut like a small cross on top of your tomato, and you can do the same at the end of the tomato. And this knife really needs some extra filo, caray. Okay, now let's place it in a pot with water, as well as the tomatillos. 3 tomatillos. And I'm gonna teach you a secret for the perfect salsa. I have chile de arbol here, and be careful with the chile de arbol. You don't wanna make it so spicy if you're not used to this is very spicy salsas. So I'm gonna toast a few of them because why? Because if you toast the chiles just for a few seconds, other way it's gonna be a smell all over your house that is gonna make you cough. But the good thing about toasting a little bit your chiles is that they have a kind of oil inside that it comes out when you toast it just for a few seconds. You can feel the smell right away, and that helps you to get a much better taste to your salsa. Just be very careful because they can become bitter if you actually toast them way too much. So it's just 3 seconds, okay? You need to let your vegetables boil in for about 5 minutes, and look, the skin on the tomato, it just gets off by itself. It doesn't matter if you don't take it all off. Take as much as you can. It actually comes by itself. There you go. And we're gonna put it in the blender along with the tomatillos and the garlic clove. Okay, now I'm gonna add my chile secos. I'm gonna add about 5 chile secos. Be careful. I usually add more, but I don't want it to be extra spicy because I know that in other countries you might not be used to that spicy, and chile rojo can be very spicy. Let's add some salt, and we're gonna taste it, and we're gonna add more salt if we need it. And now let's blend all this together, because we're gonna add just a sip of olive oil, and we're gonna cook our salsa in there. Actually, salsas, after you make them, if they are like this kind of hot salsas, you wanna let it boil all together so the flavors can actually come all together. Taste to see if it needs a little more salt. Look, our salsa is ready, and it smells and tastes beautiful. Let's start with our salsa de aguacate. This is one of my favorite salsas. It's super easy to do, and I give you 2 options. If you want it extra spicy, you're gonna use 1 jalapeno and 1 serrano. If you don't want it spicy but still want that Mexican flavor, you use only the jalapeno. Get rid of the seeds, and that's all you're gonna use, okay? Now, we're gonna start with 1 cup of milk. I'm gonna teach you a secret. Actually, milk, I'm using almond milk, but if you use normal cow milk, that prevents avocado from turning brown. We are going to add 1 garlic clove, a handful of cilantro or coriander, the jalapeno, and the chile serrano. Now, a whole delicious avocado without the seed. Now we will need some salt. I'm gonna start with a little salt, and then we can add more if we feel like we need it. And let's blend all this together. If I figure out how to put the top of the blender, there we go. Okay, here comes our salsa for flautas. Oh my God, it's so good.